What's up, Block fam? In the Blockhead Moto Garage today, or the shop, or whatever the hell we're calling it. I'm not really sure. We work on motorcycles here. Got a garagey vibe. I say shop. Other people have been commenting and saying garage. Anyways, you guys let us know. I'm thinking Blockhead Motor Garage just as like the general term, but I always say the shop, so we'll find it as we go, I guess. Anyways, we're in the shop working on Goldzilla today. Nothing too crazy. We are working with this company that reached out called Billet Craft Design, and they sent me a radiator guard for Goldzilla here, and they are able to do custom finishes. So they do gold, they do, I want to say blue, red, couple different colors. You guys be sure to go check out their website after the video, and if you guys end up scooping anything up from them, be sure to let them know that Blockhead sent you. Pretty easy install. If you do have a crash bar on your bike, it's going to be a little bit more difficult because you got to move that out of the way instead of it just being one bolt. We're going to open it up, show you guys the quality of it.
Dare I mention we have something else to open up?
Sure. What else we got? So we've got these wheels in. This company reached out to us as well, called SMT Machining, forged billet wheels. And checked out a lot of their stuff. Traditionally, they do a lot of stuff for like big wheel baggers, but they do offer regular size wheels, which they're trying to let people know that they do. So they reached out and said, hey, we would like to give you a set of wheels, bring some awareness to the brand, let people know what we offer. So we're gonna unbox these, see what the quality is. The thing that sucks is that as soon as we unbox them, I have to take them to powder coating. So they don't even get to go on the bike yet. So take them off, drop them off at powder. As soon as they go to powder, gotta repackage them up and then send them to the guy that does the gold plating, because they're doing black in the center, gloss black, and then a gold, chrome gold lip. So it's gonna be a process. And that's all part of the customization process that people don't usually see. A lot of legwork.
Just go.
Yeah, click and they're done, but it's not actually like that. So cool thing about these wheels also, they're made in the USA. Let's go ahead and unbox these first just so we can take a look at them, and then we'll get to installing the radiator guard. I'm pretty sure I said it, but Chris really wanted to make an emphasis on the fact that
this is American made, people. Support the people that support us.
What is the perk of it being American made?
It ain't no knockoff bull.
You also don't have to wait for it to be imported, because there's kind of a supply chain like lag right now issue, yeah. And so a lot of that is because of the ports and shipping. With it being made in the USA, you don't have to worry about the supply chain issue because it's made here and shipped here.
Support
America, girl. I like their logo. All right, there you go, guys. There is the custom wheel that will be going on Goldzilla. All right, guys, so we are going to open this up, check out the radiator guard from Billet Craft Designs.
It's a how-to. Don't cut yourself with the razor blade.
Be careful, kiddies. We all saw the how-to on the bunking crash bar from Get Lowered. If you guys didn't,
go check it out.
Search the videos, yeah. And the only reason I put crash protection on the bike, I never do that, but it's a crazy bike.
Ooh, look.
Fancy. Ooh. All right, what we got in the thank you envelope?
How to open an envelope today. Look, fancy paper.
Damn. Handwritten letter. Dear Blockhead, we would like to thank you for the collaboration opportunity. In this package, we have included the Softail oil cooler guard and gold anodized with the custom engraving. We also included a choice of either raw or black stainless steel hardware. We are working on a derby cover for you next, and we'll get that sent over as soon as we finish it up. We're continuing to do more product development and have some cool stuff in the works. Hopefully we can do more collabs in the future. As always, our products are machined in-house here in Fallbrook, California from domestic Kaiser's 6061 T6 aluminum and are held to the highest quality control standards. Once again, thank you for the opportunity. We hope you enjoy. Sincerely, Andrew and Keith, Billet Craft Design.
Hey, awesome. Thanks, Andrew and Keith.
Handwritten letter, man, that is freaking awesome. I feel like it's not such a common occurrence anymore, so we really appreciate that, and we appreciate you guys reaching out to us and considering us for your collaboration.
So let's see what's under the stuff here. Ooh.
Very well packaged.
Ooh.
Look at that. That looks awesome. Looks really good. Now, Chris, why would you want a guard over your oil cooler?
Why would you want a guard over your oil cooler?
Good question.
Let's look at the oil cooler. Considering this is your tire spinning in this direction, and sometimes they pick up rocks and
actually look, there's a rock right here.
Is there one already in it?
Yep.
Perfect, see?
Right
it's just
there.
Proving my point. Imagine that going into this.
Yeah, there's actually a rock in it right there.
Now, it's never good. And then when you poke a hole in it and you start leaking oil from it while you're riding down the road, it's never a good feeling.
Yeah, so wheel spins this way, throws rock, hits oil cooler, Brakes, leaks oil, not good.
No good.
Solution, oil cooler guard.
Now, let me just say, for those of you sitting at home going, yeah, but you're right, there are holes in this too, because airflow has to go through, but it definitely minimizes.
Oh, dude, that is much smaller gap. I mean, it's wide open right now.
Of course. And you do want airflow over it, otherwise it can't cool the oil. So,
You look, a rock right there. But yeah, just wide open. They do put this little guard around the outside, but I mean, that's nothing. Super easy design. There's actually a lot of manufacturers that do not cover up the radiators or the oil coolers. So Greg recently had a rock go through his on one of his bikes. High Vis Greg. Yeah. He had to replace the entire radiator, and then immediately after that, he put on a radiator guard. So that's what this is. It's preventative maintenance, I guess. So what happens if a rock ends up going through and puncturing that and messing it up? What's the repair process from there?
oh, you have to replace the whole thing.
Okay. You have to take this whole piece out, replace it with a brand new one.
Correct.
Which is going to be more expensive than this.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And also much more time consuming. So if you guys are paying labor.
Yes, that is true.
There it is.
Hey!
Look at that.
Now, just for the hell of it, look at that. Wouldn't make it through it.
Nope.
I mean, I guess maybe at the... Nope. Still wouldn't make it. So that would have saved.
All right, so step one, guys, you're gonna wanna remove the trim from the oil cooler, which is just the one bolt right there. It's a Torx bit.
Not want to scratch up or finish as we slide it down in there.
See, guys, this is why
So we're going to throw a little tape on there.
I'm a big fan of Sick Wide Guide. These extra little steps, you tape that up so that we don't scratch it during install.
Plastic cover.
Like how that had that little bounce in there. Boop.
Throw a little tape on that, like I said. Thanks. 2 little cuts in the plastic.
Yep.
There's 2 little receivers that are on the back of the oil cooler. Right now you can't quite tell because everything's loose, but once I snug that up,
You'll see them come through.
Yeah.
Okay.
I put a little blue Loctite on these. You don't necessarily have to, but I would recommend it. Now we'll peel the tape off. And then done deal. That's it. Nothing major.
All right, super easy install on Goldzilla. One more piece of gold added. Big thanks to Billet Craft Designs. Really appreciate you guys. We do have them making us custom, what do they say, derby cover.
We have the most custom derby cover there is, though.
Right.
I'll be honest.
Used to be 114. So we do have them making up a few more custom pieces. They're also going to be doing a few custom pieces for the giveaway bagger, which has already been given away. But on that note, if you guys are interested in getting in on the next giveaway, we are giving away a Sucker Punch Sally old school chopper. If you guys want to get in on that, go to blockheadmoto.com, sign up, select a tier. You guys are in. Anyways, guys, go check out their website. If you guys order anything from them, do me a favor, tell them Blockhead sent you. If you guys have any questions about this, drop them down in the comments below. Let us know. Once again, big thanks to Billet Craft. If you guys enjoyed this video, do us a favor. Hit that like button, lets YouTube know we're doing a good job. If you guys aren't subscribed, hit subscribe. Hit the bell icon also while you're over there, so it sends you notifications of future uploads and activity. Till next time, ride safe.
Beat the shit out of that bell.
Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.